Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account was permanently banned due to multiple violation of our community guidelines on TikTok. For example, if you got the warning on your account again and again, and after that if you log in into your account and you see this kind of error on your account, so how you can fix that? So the first method is as that what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after that you have to simply watch this video completely so that we can help you. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply grab your friend's phone, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open the TikTok on your friend's phone, and after that you have to go to profile of that friend, and after that you have to click on three lines, and here you have to click on settings and privacy. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down, and after that you have to simply click on report a problem. So here what you have to do, you have to simply report your problem on your friend's mobile or account. And if you have another account, then you can simply do the same, which means you can report your problem on your TikTok, which is another account. So here what you have to do, you have to simply search for that. So here you have to click on account and profile, and after that you have to simply click on the problem you are having. You have to click on login, and after that if you are having problem with login, they will tell you about the details of the problem, that what you are facing and how you can solve that. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply select from the solution which you are having, and after that what you have to do, for example here you have to simply select your account logged out automatically, and after that what you have to do, they will provide you a solution for the problem of you. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on is your problem solved, you have to click on no, and you have to click on need more help. And here what you have to do, you have to simply explain the problem to TikTok team, what is the problem you are having. Moreover, you can also provide the detail that you have not violated any community guideline, and you can also provide here the screenshot of the problem, and also you can simply provide screen videos and also attach videos. And after that you have to simply click on submit, and your report will be submitted to TikTok team. Make sure that you also mention your email address so that TikTok team will connect to you by that email and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.